Welcome to this channel, ready to make money. In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new way to make money online. Are you ready to make money? Make money online fast no matter where you live in the world. You can now make up to $5,000 online on autopilot. Hi and welcome to Ready to Make Money. In today's video we'll show you how to make money online fast for free by these using websites. Most of you have probably never ever heard of it, so let's get started. As you will see, it's absolutely free and available worldwide. Now, because it's so simple and unique, we're asking you to keep your earnings confidential. But even if it's a little hard to believe, trust me when I say that we've tried it all before. And as it is free, we can say that you should absolutely give it a shot. Now be sure to watch the entire video from the beginning to end, and avoid missing out with today's new technique. Also, make sure you don't skip any sections, so you don't miss any key details. If you do miss any part, you're more likely to fail to get your make money fast objectives. Ready to Make Money will teach tips and tricks on making money easy online. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new how to make money video. Remember to just smash that like button, and leave a comment below. Now let's jump into the video. Have you ever heard of Kicksta.co? Yes, Kicksta.company is the website where we will sign up on to get paid today. Thousands of digital marketing agencies and influencers use Kicksta.company to grow Instagram followers organically. With Kicksta you are safe. They've helped 100,000 plus brands and influencers gain millions of followers. As you can see, on this site you can also buy real Instagram followers. Disclosure: we do not advise that you buy any followers. When you buy followers or likes, you risk getting spammed and wasting your money. As Instagram deletes suspicious activities, you may even end up getting banned. But Kicksta.company is legit because it also features huge Fortune 500 companies. The thing about this website is that you don't need to obtain any followers by buying them. Instead, Kicksta will teach you to hunt for profiles that are similar to yours, so that their followers might also be interested in checking out your page as well. What occurs now is that Kicksta does most of the job for you. So essentially, the site will favor content from users who have your same interests. So simply keep adding related profiles to gain the most exposure. People will see you in their notifications. Now they're more likely to follow you back because they're following similar sites. Some just like yours and engaging with comparable audiences. Most of the people genuinely follow you back. Now, success is a definite conclusion if you can consistently provide great quality content on a daily basis, so don't worry. You don't have to pay anything. Not a penny for access, since as previously stated, we're presenting a free technique, and we always try to give it away for free. Of course, this prompts the big question. What will we be doing? How will we be getting paid or compensated? Easy, Ready to Make Money we'll be teaching you to start promoting it as an affiliate. And don't be fooled because this website is one of the best paying known websites on the internet. We'll show you a number of the highest paying websites for affiliate marketing. And yes, this is one of them. We'll also show you how to find highly focused traffic source, so you can make money online now. Just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Now click Affiliates. This is basically where you'll now sign up to become an affiliate. Once you're done, you'll be given your affiliate link to use, so you'll be paid every time someone clicks and signs up using your link. Before I show you the next steps in making money online fast, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button, and the bell icon, so you'll always be first to know about new ways to make money online. Now have a look at this payment. It promises you a 50% commission. Now for this reason, we chose this and indicated that it pays well. This is presently one of the most profitable free sites in terms of affiliate marketing. You should know that you're lucky if you even get 30% on most websites, but on this website you'll get 50%. Now, if you're inexperienced with affiliate marketing, a 50% commission implies that you'll get half the money that their customer pays. Aside from that, they also have some great features like a 45-day cookie lifespan and 100% prompt payouts. As a result, you're paid on time every time. Here, if you sign up on a monthly basis you get these unique features and bargains. You can also see that bonuses will be handed to you and that you will be paid additional money, which is fantastic. Finally, you'll be able to collaborate with a team of affiliate managers. All of these features are fantastic and you can read some testimonies in data at the bottom of the page. Now, we'd like to show you how much money you could make, because a 50% commission is meaningless if the amount they're earning is little. But let's get to the good stuff now. We'll show you how much money you'll be earning. As you can see, they provide two pricing options. They have a normal and a premium version which cost $49 and $99 each. So if someone opts for the regular plan, you'll get paid $25. This is a really good sum of money for only one customer, not to mention how many people will go for the premium package. So if you get 100 individuals to sign up for the ordinary plan, you can forget about the premium plan for the time being, which means you'll make at least $2,500, which is incredible. Now I'll also show you a traffic source that will allow you to reach thousands of people, literally. However, we must point out another fantastic feature. On this site, there's a 14-day money-back guarantee. This means that if customers aren't ready to fully commit, and decide within 14 days that they want their money back, Kicksta.com will refund it. Because it includes a 14-day money-back guarantee, you can be assured that the money you've invested will be returned in full. No less, no more, and on the day you want it. But once you discover how much it's helping you, I'm confident that you will keep utilizing this site. Go to this page, click the sign up button, and get started as an affiliate. Fill in your first and last name, email address, and password. Complete the CAPTCHA by checking "I am not a robot" box, and click sign up now to establish your brand new account. Allow me to demonstrate how to make more money by using a URL shortener. You can choose anyone you want, but my favorite is 7r6.com URL shortener. https://7r6.com ref make money online. The 7r6 URL short referral program is a great way to spread the word of this great service, and to earn even more money with your short links. Refer friends or followers and receive 8% of their earnings for life. The site is now working without problems and the money has been paid to all people thus far. Most important, remember to select your payment method. If you choose Bitcoin, PayPal, direct deposit to your bank, or any other method whenever you register on each site. If you have a YouTube channel, if you have a large site, if you can publish the site in different ways like social media, even if you choose to drive traffic to your affiliate site using Google. Then paste the link in your bio, on social media and YouTube description. The more people click on the link to view the video, the more money you can earn. So now you can cash in on this hot site and make a lot of money from YouTube video views. Now if you are looking for other ways to make money online, watch my other videos. Remember to subscribe now and hit that notification bell. So as soon as I drop a new video you will be first to get it. I'm also putting out several videos a week to help you make money online. Disclaimer: Ready to Make Money channel assumes no responsibility or liability for any errors or omissions in the content of this site. Information contained in this site is provided on, as is, basis with no guarantees of completeness, accuracy, usefulness or timeliness. This is not financial advice nor am I in any way a financial advisor. Results shown are no guarantee you will earn if you invest. Age disclosure: this channel is for adults 20 years and over only. All investment are high risk and you may lose all your investment. Please do your own research, as we are not responsible for any money lost trying this, or any methods seen in these videos. Subscribe, click the bell, like and share, leave a comment for more ways to make money online.